Hello, everybody. It's, what the heck day is it? August 6th, 2024. We're going to bring this up to I already know, yeah, I was right. It's, dobro tuning. We're going to bring it up. And here we go. We're just going to do whatever comes. We're gonna play how we feel. So bear with me. Hope you enjoy. It's kind of a overcast, not too hot day for an August day here in Brooklyn, New York City. So that's what I was kind of just give you a mental picture of what we're playing and how we feel. Bear with me again and hope you enjoy two more times. Let's pick it up a little bit. So 2, 3. And I when I get it going that speed, I sort of think of a motor or an engine making a car go along pretty fast at a clip on a highway road. There's your image. That's hopefully I gave you a little mental, emotional, spiritual, or imaginative image of something using sound. Because you can't call it music. I'm not good enough to call that music. But what I really need to be doing is sketching and doing my visual art and my art. Sorry about that. Well, what am I going to do? I love music so much I keep trying. Have a good day.